Well, the big story we are following this morning is a local mother now blaming medical negligence after her pregnant daughter and grandchild lost their lives. She joined others in Los Angeles Thursday to demand medical board reform. Eyewitness News reporter David Kaplan tells us more.
I am angry that my daughter lost her life and my grandson to a failed and broken system. She had plans for her future. She worked hard to achieve it.
Tracy Dominguez says her daughter Demi, 8 months pregnant, was discharged without a diagnosis from Dr. Arthur Park. She had a seizure that night and died.
Demi was admitted to the hospital, but the doctor on call, he never once entered her room. He didn't assess her, and he didn't go over her labs.
This came after a different woman died from childbirth complications in the care of Dr. Park in September 2016 when he was working at Adventist Health. In December, that doctor agreed to surrender his license to the Medical Board of California. Thursday, Dominguez spoke at a press conference hosted by the nonprofit Consumer Watchdog along with other victims.
The septic shock was so intense that it burnt my body from the inside out.
10 years ago, Annette Ramirez was an active and vibrant mother of 2. That all changed when she went in for a hysterectomy. During the procedure, Ramirez says her doctor cut her colon. Ramirez went into a coma for 4 months. She developed gangrene, which led to her having all 4 limbs amputated.
2 years away from my life that I once knew, and to no fault of my own.
They called for medical board reform and for stricter penalties for these doctors to be permanently banned from practicing.
There has to be a change. We need consumer input in the enforcement process. The medical board must contact the patient after the physician's interview to seek our input. It would have made a difference in my case. We need the medical board to contact the families before they offer him a settlement, or to offer the family the opportunity to give a victim impact statement. We need the medical board reform now, desperately.
David Kaplan, Eyewitness News.